Maeda Precision Manufacturing Limited Kobe was founded in 1901 in Kobe City, Hyogo Prefecture. The demand from customers for shortening delivery times is getting tougher every day. In order to meet these demands, we need to operate our facilities efficiently. There was a need to reduce downtime by monitoring facility operating status in real time and immediately responding to unplanned outages. The field system was attractive to us because it could take data fully from NC. We selected the system because we would like to use it for preventive maintenance in the future, and we could see its potential for development as a platform. Field system was introduced to Yasutame factory at the end of January 2021. There was some concern that when IoT was introduced, the networking of facilities would expose them to cyber attacks and other threats. Regarding security, we worked with CEC and Mitsuiwa, which are field system certified integrators, to review and take appropriate measures. The field system has many reliable partners, which was very helpful. The utilization rate has increased as managers are able to grasp accurate information in real time and take appropriate action. We would like to improve the efficiency of factory management through the applicable IoT to increase customer satisfaction.